seen any bird like that before. Sorry, they kind of like flew away from me. You see that over there? Super rare bird. I know, I'm sorry for my phone quality. It's just when it's zoomed in, it's not as good. It's basically like a black bird with a red head. Really cool. I've never seen those type of birds. But actually, as I'm walking, there's a chance I'll see another bird, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, I haven't seen any so far. Just the ones like down there. But yeah, like in general, it's like when I go hiking, I do see some interesting wildlife from time to time. Like I did see like a deer several times. Like I haven't seen them in the summer really, maybe once. But winter, I did see them a lot. But yeah. But who knows, we might see more wildlife. Going on my 1 hour hike, just like I do every week. Really good exercise, at least I'm walking, you know. Going a few kilometers at least, and I think I have to sneeze. But yeah.